Disabling automatic restrictions on Gmail can help you manage your email settings more effectively. Follow these steps to adjust your Gmail settings. Step 1. Sign into your Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. In the Settings menu, find the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on it to view any existing filters that may be causing automatic restrictions on your emails. Step 4. Review and modify filters. Look through the list of filters. If you find any that are restricting your emails, you can either edit them to change their behavior or delete them entirely by clicking on the corresponding options. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary adjustments to your filters, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to ensure your new settings take effect. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and disable any automatic restrictions on your Gmail account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Gmail's help resources for further assistance.